So we are at KRM's Custom Home at 4619 179th Street. So this home has a very gourmet kitchen. So we've got top of the line appliances. So we've got your wide range, you've got a double oven with microwave over here. And then we soften this look with adding some wood details. So we've got a beautiful hutch in the corner there, and we accented the hood with that wood detail as well. And then we just tied it all in with a timeless white cabinets and a beautiful backsplash that's very subtle that makes a statement in itself. In your primary bath, we have a soaker tub with a large picture window, and then we have his and hers vanities that are separate. In the primary shower, we have a white subway tile that's very timeless. We also included a little niche for your shaving for your legs. We created a beautiful reading nook underneath the stairs, so it's perfect just for the kids or for yourself if you wanted to take a little break. So in the bar, we did columns on both sides of the back bar, which are super popular right now, and then we decided to do some sconce lighting, and we carried that moody feel with that dark gray cabinets, but kept the design very simple so it wasn't overwhelming.